Just received the Coffee Gator semi-auto espresso machine for evaluation, but the opinions are my own. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed so I can show you everything that comes inside. And first thing we see here is the user guide. It also comes with an Esc Pod Basket, a single serving and a double shot serving basket, as well as a coffee scoop with the tamp. The machine is compact and it takes very little space in the kitchen, and it has a versatile look to it. The removable water tank makes up to 21 espressos. Well, let's go ahead and make a delicious cup of coffee, and I can show you exactly how this Coffee Gator espresso machine works. We're gonna go ahead and add some water. The great thing about it is that you don't even have to worry about how much water you put. Just go ahead and fill it up, and the Coffee Gator is going to take care of measuring the water for you. When you turn it on, it would be blinking like this, but when it's ready, it will stop the blinking. These buttons right here, we have the power button, the hot water button, and the steam button. Right here on the side, we have the espresso, the standby, and the hot water and steam button. We're gonna go ahead and move it to espresso. It takes approximately a minute for the espresso part to be done, and then I would say it takes about another 30 seconds to 1 minute to froth your milk, depending on the consistency you want it. That's pretty much it for this Coffee Gator espresso machine with a milk frother that will allow you to make your own gourmet coffee from the comfort of your own home.